In this video, I'm going to explain whether YouTube TV includes CNN so you can stay updated with the latest news and live coverage. Let's get started. The good news is that CNN is included in YouTube TV's channel lineup in most regions, making it easy to access live news broadcasts and on-demand content from the network. YouTube TV offers a variety of popular cable networks as part of its standard subscription, and CNN is one of them. Whether you're watching breaking news, political analysis, or exclusive documentaries, you can find CNN in the Live tab or by searching for it directly in the app or website. Simply click on the channel to start streaming its live broadcast or browse its on-demand library for specific shows like Anderson Cooper, 360 Degrees, or Aaron Burnett Outfront. If you frequently watch CNN, consider adding it to your favorites for quicker access. While viewing the channel, click the star icon or Add to Favorites option, and it will appear at the top of your Live tab under a dedicated section. This way, you can jump straight to CNN whenever you want without scrolling through the channel guide. Keep in mind that availability may vary slightly depending on your location, as regional restrictions can affect which channels are included in your subscription. To confirm that CNN is available in your area, visit the Live tab or check YouTube TV's official channel lineup page for your region. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy staying informed with CNN on YouTube TV. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.